In the latest Linux, what many people found, like uninstalling a software from the Ubuntu Software Center is very, very difficult for them. So, because of few issues are there, first issue is your Ubuntu is not updated and upgraded. Second issue is about your Ubuntu, your GNOME software, your Genome or GNOME, whatever you pronounce it, is not updated properly. So, you need to uninstall, remove it, and update it. Okay, so these are the few issue we found with that. So what we will do, we will first try to update our system. Okay. After that, we will try to remove this and add it back. Means install it back. And again, we will update our system. And after that, the solution is it will fix the issue. So even on the internet, if you try to find, you will not find much solution. And whatever the solutions are, most of them will not work for you because these are for older version of the Linux and this is Linux or Ubuntu 18, so maybe it will not work on your Ubuntu. So let me show you how to do that in Ubuntu. So just come to your Ubuntu machine, right click, open a terminal, and the first command which you need to run is update and upgrade together. So this is the command. You can run it separately as well, like this command first and this command last if it is not working in your system. Okay, let me provide the password. Okay, fine. So it will take a moment in order to do its activity in your system. For the first time, if you are doing, it will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes. But I already did for me, so that's why it's to finish in the seconds. So the next command which you need to run is the command apt. What you will do, you will auto remove this particular software center, okay, and install it back. Okay, so just do that. It will again take a moment. Just hit Y. Okay, so you can see software center has been removed from here and it is going to install the new software center for me. You can see it will install in a moment. Hit Y. It started installing the new software center. You can see something coming. This icon is changed, right? It's going to change your icon. So from here you can come to know it's changed and now your software center will work properly. It will not give any issue. Okay, it's done. You can see here the things are done. Let me again update my system. Okay, because this is a bug, right? And I'm going to update my using sudo apt update, and I'm also going to get the distributed upgrade, okay, using fetch. So this is not a thing which you should worry right now at this stage. I'm just telling how to fix the bug in this Ubuntu which is you installed. Okay, if you are not able to remove, then only just proceed with the steps. If you are able to remove that, then it's completely fine. But maybe on the some people, I found like they found bug, they are not able to do the things because of this bug. So that's why it will create issues. Yes, we are done. Just close it. Okay, and you can see your Ubuntu Software Center has been changed. So from here, if you want to uninstall, just whatever the it is telling, you need to restart it now. Just restart it, and next moment onward, if you reinstall it, if you uninstall any software from here physically, it will not create any kind of issue for you. Okay, so you can see now whatever you want to uninstall from here, just search it from the tab itself. Just go and search for the software, whatever you want, like GIMP. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, or in the install software you also have this way to find the things. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, so these many things are installed in your system. Let's say Amazon I want to remove, so just hit remove. Okay, just pass the password and you will see it's removing now. Okay, so in a moment it will remove from your Ubuntu machine. So I can see it's got disappeared, means it got removed. Okay, if I will search for this Amazon, Here is the Amazon app. If I will double click it, you need to install it. Since it's removed from your system. So in this way, we can fix the issue, which is a bug of this operating system using this command. So I will share this command as well with you. So I hope you enjoyed this session. If you are not facing any issue, please don't follow the steps. So see you in next class.